Hello everyone, welcome back to the Mary Jane Reese Audiology Clinic channel here at Sac State. My name is Raymond. I'm a third year Doctor of Audiology student.
And my name is Jaleisha Lyons. I'm also a third year Doctor of Audiology student.
And today we'll be showing how to unbox an advanced Bionics 90Q processor. The Advanced Bionics M90 Cochlear Implant Kit comes with an order form that outlines all the key details of your cochlear implant system. This form ensures that all items in the kit match what was ordered. The order form includes your patient information and the standard components of your cochlear implant such as processor color, battery size, cable length, and T-mic size if applicable. For today's unboxing, the M90 processor does not include a T-mic option, so this will be marked as NA on the form. The form also lists any accessories included in the order, such as ear hooks, snuggies, or retention cuffs if selected. Lastly, it specifies the type of receiver along with any additional cables and headpieces included in the kit, and your signature at the bottom.
So who's a cochlear implant candidate? A candidate will have a severe to profound sensorineural hearing loss in one ear, also known as unilateral deafness. Or they'll have a PTA, also known as pre-tone average of 60 dB or worse. And they'll have speech discrimination results of 60% or worse in at least a better ear. For more information about cochlear implant candidacy, please contact your audiologist or ENT. The outer ear, such as the pinna and the cartilage. Then looking here, we have going inside the ear canal. We also have the cochlea here, the organ of hearing, and the bones as well. Here we see that the internal device is placed. This is the cochlear implant. Here is stimulating the auditory nerve process. For this to all be done, the external processor sits right here and connects through a magnet to the internal processor. So let's take a look inside.
So this is your external processor. Think of this as a mini computer that processes the sound inside your device. Over here, these two holes indicate the microphones. This is where the sound is picked up. And inside the internal component of the cochlear implant is a digital signal processor that filters out the sound so you can hear the sound the best way possible. You also have the external magnet, which attaches to the internal processor of your hearing aids. At this point, sound will be delivered to your internal processor, which then gets turned into signal as sound. This is where sound gets converted into electrical impulses, which is then sent to your hearing nerve into the brain and perceived as sound. Over here, you have the internal magnet. This is the attaching point of where the external processor attaches to. You also have the electrode array, which goes inside your cochlea and stimulates every part of the basilar membrane.
Now to speak about batteries. To replace your cochlear implant's battery, you'll slide it here and you'll insert the battery into this compartment.
There's a sync battery style one, so we just put in two batteries, and then you just put in the batteries in and just slide it in. Operate it. So if you don't have a rechargeable one, you can just use this. This was included. So it's just like a dry chamber with the hearing aid. So like if you have a lot of moisture or something like that, you just put in your cochlear implant in this. It's a dry chamber. So if you have a lot of moisture, sweat a lot, you can also use the Roger box. TV streamer box. This is a streamer. Just magnet. And just take it off. And the speed.
The Nidus CI M90 also comes in an extensive range of colors. Here, patients can choose the color that best fits their lifestyle or preference. These colors include beige, black, brown, white, and gray. To turn your cochlear implant on, attach the battery to the processor. To turn it off, you're going to want to remove the battery. Whenever you make these changes to your CI with the volume and program controls, you'll then hear a ding.
The NAIDA CI M90 sound processor comes with many accessories. First, you have the Phonak partner mic. This accessory is used to increase the signal of your communication partner and isolate the noise, especially in very noisy environments. You also have the Phonak TV connector, which helps stream Bluetooth from the TV directly to your cochlear implant. You also have the Phonak Roger Select IN, which is another term for a table microphone and helps in communication with multiple partners. You also have the Phonak remote control, which helps with increasing or decreasing the volume remotely. Lastly, there's the M waterproof battery, which helps keeps the battery dry and avoids damage to the batteries itself.
The NAIDA CI M90 can be paired with most Phonak hearing aid devices. To additionally increase the volume or decrease the volume and change program controls, you can also use the app.